What's up, guys? It's me again, and today we are doing the air burping challenge. And
oh, hello guys, it's me. We're doing the air burping challenge. I'll be joined by Gabriel Mendoza
and Gooner for Life, 1960 recommend me to do this, and he said he's subscribed and he'll tell all his friends to subscribe if we do this challenge. And so we will be doing the burping challenge. 5 minutes of air burps, like he said.
Wait, how many?
5 minutes of air burps.
Oh.
And yeah, so what are you in?
I can't.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you're like it. I can't air burp. It's hard. It hurts.
It's stuck.
Oh my god.
Don't question, we're doing the air burping challenge.
I don't care.
Oh my god.
I can't do it.
It hurts, man.
I'm surprised people watch that.
She does.
They like
do.
burping videos.
I do.
I can't do it.
Oh god.
I don't want to fart. I farted instead of burping.
It came out.
That's why it's hard for me to burp, air burp.
Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh my god, no. Do you smell it? My burp's still coming out. I need to get my burp. Okay. Oh,
I did the most. I can't. Why does it always come out the wrong end? I'm upset with myself right now. My air burps are coming to air farts. So apparently they want to explore the basement, not the attic.
Oh.
I already did the most.
I know, because my stomach is like crap.
Yeah. Oh. Sorry guys, it's always coming out the wrong end.
I keep on doing the longest ones.
I can't do it.
I keep on doing the longest for some reason. Oh, I can't do it anymore.
I got the hiccups now. Oh my god. You guys are good at air burps. Mine are always fart burps. The air always wants to explore the basement.
I've been doing this for 4 minutes now.
Oh. Oh my god.
Okay. Once I burp all this air, it's probably going to be at the end of this video. I finally did one, but that was really small. That's like torture.
I can't swallow anymore.
I'm doing this with a bloody nose.
No, it's already over. You had it over 10 minutes.
Oh.
Oh, it's not coming out. It's
Mine's
white.
always gonna come out the wrong end.
It's in my belly button.
My belly button.
I won't pretend like nothing, cause my belly button's really something. Something I wanna show to you. Okay, that was awkward.
Subscribe to Rat and Lincoln. Good Mythical Morning.
And good mythical more.
And Good Mythical Morning, yeah.
And us.
I can't burp. It's hard. Because it always comes out the wrong end. Oh,
I'm gonna pause this video until my burp comes out. Here it is. Okay, that was weak. Well, that was it. I hope
Mine
you
is
liked.
the weakest.
Comment, subscribe if you haven't already.
I can't do it.
It'll see
Like,
you
comment, subscribe.
in my next challenge. Peace out.